Well, welcome back, everybody. Thank you for coming. We're gonna start off with egg drop soup today, okay? I got the chicken stock going here, boiling water and chicken stock. I want to wait till it's hot, so nice and hot now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add chicken. Okay, a little bit of chicken. You don't need much for this. The biggest thing is it's a soup, right? We're making eating soup. So this little diced chicken. If you like, you can do shrimp. You can shrimp with that too. Okay. Okay. That's a chicken cooked with the stock already. If you don't have chicken stock, the boiling water, you can use chicken bouillon. But that's not my favorite. But if you still can use it. Okay. So when I cut the chicken real thin, real small, so doesn't take that long to cook. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the vegetable in it, okay? Because a lot of flavor gonna come out with this vegetable too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all that at once. I got mushroom here, slice them up little pieces, and I got a bamboo shoot, a shredded bamboo shoot, okay? Shredded carrots here. Okay, and an onion and green onion. Okay. Okay. Here's a big flavor. Because the chicken stock is already real nice and flavor already. Okay, you can just tell. Any dish, a Thai dish, is not a Thai dish until you put fish sauce, right? I'm gonna add a little garlic here. All right. I'm going to do the garlic first. Just a little tiny bit of garlic, okay? Minced garlic. Water's nice and boiled. Okay, and I got fish sauce. Spoon of fish sauce. Okay, water's boiling real good. I like my vegetable real, not soggy, you know, not overcooked. Okay, nice and crispy and still fresh. Okay, this is tapioca starch. Okay, it's tapioca in water. Okay, and I like to use tapioca here at the restaurant. But if you don't have tapioca, use cornstarch. Okay, this is tapioca starch. I'm gonna thick up this soup paste a little bit. Okay. And I want to stir. You want to stir this soup as you drop this starch, so you don't be clumpy. You know what I mean? Okay. It's boiling real good, so you want to do when it's boiling. So add a little bit at a time as you go. And just watch it how it's thick the way you want it. Okay? And you don't want it too thick where it's turned to be a paste, you know what I mean? So you're nice and solid, okay? Compared to American soup, I'm not sure I could think of thick like this. What is it? You use anything like American chicken noodle maybe, but it's more soupy, right? Not yeah. Okay, I'll take it up just a little bit more. Okay, as the water boil like this, okay, I'm gonna do the eggs. Okay, you wanna put the eggs last. Okay, all I'm gonna do is break up a little bit. Don't. Okay, as the soup boil like this, just drop it in. Don't stir it. Okay, don't stir it. Okay, this way here you get a big piece of egg still. If you look at it, okay. Get black pepper. Okay. All right, and we got egg drop soup. See how the eggs in pieces, okay? Let's just drop it naturally. Don't stir it up. Yeah. And a little bit of black pepper. Okay. The cilantro. Hey. Cilantro and onion. Okay. On top of that. Now, who like their spicy? Okay. Add a little bit spicy. You know, the thing about this, you add it as you go. Okay.